Hey guys, today I wanted to do a tutorial with my new Carli Bybel and Makiage collection. I absolutely love it. Everything from the beautiful constellation packaging to the cosmic names of the colors, and I love anything that has to do with cosmos. I love astrology, I love outer space movies and shows, so this is really up my alley. So first I'm using the matte bronzer called Gemini to contour my cheekbones, temples, and underneath my jawline. And now I'm using the same color to contour my nose, which I also have a video for. So I will link the video down below where I show you guys how to contour your nose to make any shape that you want. It's literally a non-surgical nose job. Then I'm using a little bit of that same color underneath my lower lip to make it look fuller. And I have a video on how to make your lips look bigger using makeup as well, so I will link that down below. And now I'm using the beautiful highlight color called Interstellar, which is actually my favorite movie, so I'm absolutely living for these names here. So I'm using that color here to highlight the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, and also in my inner corners and underneath my eyebrow. And now I'm using that same color Gemini as a wash of color all over my lid. And with a different brush, I'm using it as my crease color. Then picking up the blush color called Aries, I'm using this on both of my cheeks, which by the way, the palette that I got was in medium because they had light, medium, and dark. Then picking up the highlight color called Little Star, I'm just going over the points that I highlighted earlier, like my cheekbones and my nose, but also hitting the collarbones for an overall glow. Now I'm taking the lip pencil called Luna, which means the moon, and I love the packaging. This is a light brown color, and I'm using it to outline my lips before I do the lipstick. Now I'm taking the lipstick called Libra. Love all of the names, and the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. They even etched little constellations into the actual tube of lipstick, which I think is gorgeous. And I'm using this all over my lip and blending the color into my lip liner. And by the way, I did order the other lipstick and lip liner colors from the same collection, so let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial and review with those colors. So subscribe to my channel, like and follow for more on my Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!